individual has given tirelessly of their time and talents, building connections that strengthen Urbandale and leaving a lasting legacy of leadership and care. So this time, we would like to invite the 2025 Urbandale Citizen of the Year to come forward. I see him in the room, Mr. Todd Pettit. Todd? Todd, on behalf of the City of Urbandale and on behalf of everybody here, we are proud to recognize you as the 2025 Urbandale Citizen of the Year. You've been a leader, a mentor, and a dedicated servant for our community for decades. Through your commitment to education, public safety, and countless acts of service, you have made a lasting impact on generations of Urbandale residents. We are honored to thank you for your devotion and service to our community, and we want you to recognize the continued ways you continue to strengthen our community. Todd, on behalf of the Urbandale Chamber of Commerce, we're so excited to add your name to the official list of past Citizen of the Year award winners who have made a difference in our community. We know this is a big surprise, can see that in your eyes. Would love to have you say a few words.
Yeah, this is a big surprise. I think anybody that knows me knows I don't like surprises and I'm never short for words, but this one got me when I see my family and my little granddaughter Aria there. This is very, very special. Wasn't supposed to be me. This guy in the back filming. I nominated Eric Barron to get this award, so somehow it must have turned around. I really appreciate the honor. It's humbling, very surprising, but I do appreciate all of the recognition. Thank you.
Thank you, Todd.